In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an Upstream O2 sensor on your Honda Pilot. Let's get started. Disconnect the connector for the O2 sensor. There's a push button on the back here. Push that and pull this cable out. Remove the connector. Using a 22 millimeter, we're going to remove the O2 sensor. This is a 22 millimeter oxygen socket. Install the O2 sensor. Get it started by hand. Torque the sensor to 33 foot-pounds. Install the connector. Be sure it clicks into place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.